In this video, we're going to go over the Builderall Webinar platform. What's going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video, we're going to go over Builderall's very own webinar platform. And there's another cool tool that Builderall includes for their really low monthly price, where you can host fully functional live and pre-recorded webinars and even add ghost users so you can make it look like your webinar's live even when it's not. And that's just one of the cool features that the webinar platform offers. So without further ado, let's jump in and show you the Builderall webinar platform. The webinar platform is another tool which is worth the price of admission in itself. A lot of the other webinar tools out there are $49, $69 on their own. So you get this included with the Builderall package. So really cool value, and you can live stream, you can do pre-recorded. So let's jump into the webinar platform. So we're now inside the webinar platform, and you can see the tutorial here on a full breakdown of how it works. And you've got the Everest webinar that we put on a little while ago, but I'm going to click new webinar to show you exactly the steps to set up. So I'm going to call it test webinar and call it test description. And you can also protect it with a password if you only want people with the password to get into your webinar. And then you can set up all the live links, your signature for the email, because this actually connects with the Mailing Boss platform and automatically sets up all of your emails. So you can send out email reminders a day before, an hour before, 10 hours before, or however you want to set it up. So you can actually integrate it with the Mailing Boss platform and put some rules in there so you can send out specific emails at specific times before and after the webinar. And you can also use it to track. So if people only watch 10 minutes of the webinar, you can send out, hey, I saw you left early. What was the reason? Did you want to catch the replay? Stuff like that. And then people who stayed all the way to the end but didn't buy or something, then you can send them a specific message. Like I said earlier in the Mailing Boss tutorial, that it's important to have specific messages go out to specific people and not just a blanket message to your entire list. So you can add in your content here. So you can add in live webinars, you can do pre-recorded webinars, and you can schedule it if you want it on demand. So if you want to run it every hour or so like a evergreen webinar so people can access it whenever they want. You can add a chat here, and one of the coolest features of the webinar platform is the ghost users. So if you don't have a very big audience, you don't have many people coming on to your first webinar, you can actually put ghost users, and this allows you to add people to add comments at a certain point. So if you've got a pre-recorded webinar and you want it to look like it's live, you can add ghost comments to the webinar and answer the ghost comments on your webinar so it appears live. And you can also use it to make it look like you've got more people on your webinar if you wish. So that's a really cool feature that not a lot of other webinar platforms have. And then of course you can have detailed statistics, and if you want to do it in another language, you can translate the whole of the actual platform itself. So really powerful tool, and of course an absolute bargain included in the price that is Builderall. So guys, that was a quick overview of the webinar platform included inside of Builderall. I still find it crazy how Builderall offers a full webinar platform for such a low price included with all their tools. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you next time.